Today, let's talk about something many people suffer from but few talk about: hemorrhoids, also known as piles. Understanding the causes can help you prevent and treat them more effectively. Hemorrhoids are swollen veins in the lower rectum, or anus. They can be internal, inside the rectum, or external, under the skin around the anus. Common symptoms include pain, bleeding during bowel movements, itching, and swelling. Now let's understand what causes them. Chronic constipation or straining. Pushing hard during bowel movements puts pressure on the veins. Sitting for long periods, especially on the toilet. Low fiber diet, a diet lacking in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, leads to harder stools. Pregnancy, increased pressure on the abdomen and hormonal changes. Obesity, excess weight increases abdominal pressure. Heavy lifting, regular lifting of heavy objects may strain rectal veins. Genetics, if your family has a history of hemorrhoids, you're more likely to develop them. If you identify with any of these causes, it's time to take preventive action. Eat fiber-rich foods, stay hydrated, and avoid straining during bowel movements. And if you're already experiencing symptoms, don't ignore them. Early consultation can save you from unnecessary pain. At Healing Hands Clinic, we specialize in treating hemorrhoids with advanced and minimally invasive procedures. Your comfort is our priority.